Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Nikon Z series digital camera boosts significant enhancement in both its EVF, electronic viewfinder, and also LCD brightness, improving usability in various lighting conditions. Nikon Z6 III that I'm using today features a 5.7 million dot viewfinder and a peak brightness of 4000 nits, which is 1000 nits more than Nikon Z8 and Z9. This increased brightness enhances visibility, especially in bright sunny environments, and this makes the viewfinder more usable. The Nikon Z6 III is equipped with a 3.2 fully articulated TFT LCD featuring 2.1 million dots with touchscreen capabilities. There are times when you're filming in an extremely bright daylight and you have to use ND filters to bring down the shutter speed and have a cinematic kind of a footage. So when you put the ND on, there's going to be less light coming through viewfinder and on LCD. By increasing the brightness of EVF or LCD, you'll be able to see much clearer and see more details in your viewfinder or LCD screen. Another application is when you're shooting in bright daylight, and by increasing the brightness, you can see through the viewfinder or LCD without taking off your sunglasses. This brightness enhancement in Nikon Z series camera help videographer and photographer to see more clearly and see more details through their EVF or LCD screen. The fully articulated LCD allows for flexible shooting angles. Overall, the improved EVF and LCD brightness in Nikon Z series camera make these cameras easier to use in different lighting environments, and it helps photographers and videographers to have a better and clearer view of what they are shooting. Without any further ado, I'm gonna take you to Nikon Z6 III menu, and I'm gonna show you how to change the brightness of your EVF and also LCD, and also I'm gonna demonstrate how does it look in your viewfinder and LCD when you change the brightness. Let's dive into it. To change the brightness of EVF or LCD, just go to the menu, go to range, and you can see monitor brightness, and you can increase it to +5 or decrease it to -5. And you can then go to the viewfinder, EVF, and you have two options. Auto. On auto, the camera adjusts the brightness of the EVF to the ambient light of the environment. And when I switch to manual, I can set the brightness of the viewfinder manually. And with this setting, I'm not able to record what's happening in the viewfinder, so I'm gonna change the setting and I'll show it to you how does it look in EVF. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, just don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing to the channel, you give me motivation to make more of these videos. I'm posting a new video every week on Monday or Tuesday, and by subscribing, you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. If you have any question regarding photography or videography, just leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. It's going to be my pleasure. As usual, take good care, keep shooting, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.